Hello, I want to read to you how a caterpillar grows into a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect. It begins its life as an egg. A caterpillar hatches from the egg. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it forms a case called a pupa. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar slowly changes. When it comes out, it is a beautiful butterfly. This book is about the life of a red admiral butterfly. All insects have 6 legs. All insects' bodies are made of 3 parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Okay, so this is the thorax, which is the main body. Okay, and then this is the abdomen, so it's more like the back of the insect, sorry. And then we have the head. Okay, and then these are the antennas. Okay, and then these are the wings. Okay, a butterfly has 2 pairs of wings and 1 pair of antennae. Many butterflies have bright patterns on their wings. Red admiral butterflies live in Europe, Asia, North Africa, and North America. Do butterflies lay eggs? A female butterfly lays eggs that have been fertilized by a male butterfly. The female butterfly lays her eggs on leaves. A tiny baby insect grows inside each egg. Red admiral eggs hatch after about a week, but the insect that comes out doesn't look like a butterfly. It is a caterpillar. The caterpillar breaks through the egg. The eggs are very sticky. They stick very firmly to the leaf so that they do not fall off. The caterpillar pushes out of the egg. The red admiral caterpillar is light in color at first. As it grows, it will become much darker. You can see this on the next page. So that is the bigger picture. What is a caterpillar? Even though a caterpillar will one day be a butterfly, it looks very different from a butterfly. Caterpillars have no wings. They crawl along plants using little legs. Caterpillars can crawl upside down. They have rings of tiny hooks that they use to cling onto under the underside of a leaf. Okay, so there's our picture. The head. Okay, then there's the legs. And then that's the tiny rings of hooks. What do caterpillars eat? Caterpillars eat green leaves so that they can grow bigger. Caterpillars can make very thin threads of silk. The red admiral caterpillar folds up a leaf and uses the sticky silk to stitch the leaf together like a tent. Then the caterpillar hides inside the leaf and eats it bit by bit. Caterpillars also use their silk thread to hang from plants. The caterpillar hides in a folded leaf. So that's your picture. Why do some caterpillars hide in leaves? Caterpillars make a juicy treat for animals such as spiders, wasps, and birds. Animals that eat each other are called predators. By hiding inside a leaf, the caterpillar can protect itself from being eaten by a spider, by a bird, or by a wasp. Some caterpillars have sharp spines that protect them against predators. Others can escape from danger by dropping from a tree using their silk-like parachute. Why does a caterpillar shed its skin? As the caterpillar grows, its skin becomes very tight. From time to time, it has to shed its skin. This is called molting. First, the caterpillar grows new skin under its old skin. Then, the old skin slips and the caterpillar crawls out of it. So this is the old skin. Okay, and then this is the new skin. And then there's your leaf. How does a caterpillar change into a butterfly? When the caterpillar is fully grown, it gets ready to turn into a butterfly. It uses its silk to hang from a plant stem. Then it sheds its skin for the last time. After a few hours, a hard, tough shell forms around the caterpillar, covering it from head to tail. This shell is called a pupa or chrysalis. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar slowly begins to change into a butterfly. Okay, so that's the chrysalis. Okay, butterflies have chrysalis, moths have cocoons. That's one of the differences between the butterflies and moths. The patterns on the top side of red admiral's wings is different from the pattern on the underside. So this is wings folded up. Okay, wings drawing, and then this is wings opened up. This is opened up, and this is folded together. How long does it take for a butterfly to form? The pupa splits open after about 3 weeks. The butterfly crawls out and shakes its new wings. The butterfly waits for its wings to dry, then it is ready to fly away. Why do butterflies have patterns on their wings? There are many different types or species of butterflies. Some butterflies have brightly colored and beautifully decorated wings. Others are more plain. Plain colored wings help a butterfly find a mate and scare off predators. And this is a swallowtail butterfly. Isn't that pretty? A butterfly's wings patterns are symmetrical. This means that one side is a mirror image of the other. So basically, if you were to draw a line down the middle, both sides would be the same. Okay, so you've got the blue here and a red, and the blue here. Okay. What do butterflies eat? Most butterflies drink nectar of flowers. A butterfly has a long, curly tongue that it can uncoil to suck up the nectar. It finds the center of the flower. So this is its tongue right here, getting the nectar from the flower. They even give you sound effects. How far can a butterfly fly? Some butterflies fly hundreds or thousands of miles across the countries and oceans to find the right food or the best place to lay their eggs. This is called migration. Red admirals in northern Europe migrate to the Mediterranean. Other types of butterfly, called the painted lady, can fly more than 600 miles without stopping for a rest. Isn't that pretty? Where do butterflies go in the winter? Butterflies do not like cold weather. In winter, most kinds of butterflies look for a warm, dry place to sleep. Sleeping through the winter is called hibernation. Some butterflies hibernate in groups of tens of thousands. So you see quite a big group here. Okay. Empty flower pot. So they're in the flower pot. Butterfly facts. What's the difference between a butterfly and a moth? A butterfly is an insect that flies during the day. It has antennae with club-shaped tips. A moth is an insect that flies mainly at night. It has an antenna that are thread-like or feathery. The largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra's birdwing butterfly of Papua New Guinea. It is 11 inches wide. So that's showing you that one. One of the smallest butterflies in the western pygmy is the western pygmy blue from Africa. It is less than 1/2 an inch wide. The fastest flyer is the monarch butterfly of North America. It can fly 20 minutes per hour. Butterflies beat their wings between 5 and 15 times a second. Some butterflies live for only a few days, but others can live for several months. The 69 butterfly of South America looks as though it has the number 69 on its wings. And this is a picture of an owl butterfly. The owl butterfly of South America has markings on its wings that make it look like an owl. This happens to frighten away predators. The caterpillar of the Jamaican swallowtail looks just like a bird dropping. Predators do not recognize it as a tasty meal. Zebra butterflies from the Americas are brightly colored. They do not bother to hide since they are poisonous and are left alone by their enemies. The African leaf butterfly lies down among dead leaves to rest. It looks exactly like a dead leaves, so predators do not see it. Okay, brimstone butterfly is this pretty yellow one. Butterfly bush, so that's the bush that it's on. Butterflies like brightly colored flowers to feed from. Things to do: make your garden a butterfly garden. If you have a garden, there are many things you can do to encourage butterflies to come. Butterflies like to bask in the sun on hot days. Include a big flat rock for them to rest on. Make a hibernating box to give the butterflies a place to sleep. Butterflies like to drink from shallow water. You could provide a bird bath or just a container with some water in it. So you've got a red admiral, a painted lady. Patches of tall grass or plants help the butterfly to shelter from the rain. Okay, and then I've already showed you, pretty sure, the life cycle of the butterfly. So it goes from egg to caterpillar, then full-grown caterpillar, pupa, and then butterfly. That's the life cycle.